This video is going to show you how to install Loom, create your account, and use the screen recording software. First thing you'll do is go to google.com and type in Loom. The first result at the top, Loom Video Messaging for Work, is what you're going to click on. In the top right corner, there is a button that says Sign In. Click on that. You will then click Sign In with Google. It may ask you to choose your account. Make sure to choose the account that you want. It should be your only account on your computer. Their privacy policy may pop up. Agree to that. The next screen will ask what you are using Loom for. You want to make sure to check as a student. That way you get a free upgrade. And then it's going to give you two options. We're going to select Chrome extension. At the top corner, there will be a blue button that says Add to Chrome. We want to click on that. A button will appear. You can click Add Extension. You might notice a few screens occurring while it's adding itself. Once it's done, a pop-up will appear in the top corner on the right. Google's made a slight change to extensions, and some don't show all at the top here. You may need to click the puzzle piece to be able to see it. You can always pin or unpin different extensions to see them. Let's pin Loom so we can use it. Now, when we go to a website, I'll open up Google Classroom. When I want to record my screen, I'll click on the Loom icon. Make sure you give it access. From here, you're able to record just your screen, just your camera, or your screen and camera. Once you start recording, it will automatically go, and then you can use these buttons at the bottom to pause, start, or stop. There are some additional advanced options in the top, including making sure you select the right microphone. Once you've recorded videos, they will appear in your Loom account. All of your videos will show up here for you to be able to review at any time.